Hey, want to delete saved game data on your Nintendo Switch? This is useful if you want to start a fresh game, or your save files are taking up too much space. I'll show you how to do it safely. First up, from the home menu, select System Settings, then scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, scroll down and find Delete Saved Data. Now choose the game whose saved data you want to delete. You'll see a list of all save files associated with that game. If you have multiple users, you have the option to delete save files for each users. But if you want to delete it completely for all of them, select Delete All Save Data for this software. Now just confirm that you want to permanently remove the save game. And that's it. Your game saved data is now deleted, and you can start fresh or free up space. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Switch tips, and comment which game you're starting over. And I'll see you in the next video.